Hello, in this video we are going to talk about Microsoft 365 room and equipment mailbox. Purpose of this mailbox, if you have a conference room, company car or equipment or any kind of a projector or any kind of a mobile phone, this kind of equipment and the room we need to book because it's need by everyone need to be use that, so we make this reservation. And the best way to do that is to create a room or equipment mailbox in the Microsoft 365 for each resource, for each room, any equipment. Just create a particular resource or the room mailbox. Once you create a room or equipment mailbox, everyone in the company can reserve that equipment or room for any meeting or any event through the Microsoft Outlook. And I will show you how you can use it and how you can set it up in this video. Quickly, I'll show you how to create a room resource mailbox. I'm not going to show you how to create a equipment resource mailbox because both are the same. So just don't want to take your much time to show you just one thing twice. So I'll create a room resource mailbox right now. So we are on this page. You can open this from the Exchange Admin Center. From the Exchange Admin Center, you click on this resource and then go to the add room resource. When you are here, then you can just type a name, that what name you want to set for this. I'll just set the conference room room 1, and the mail, I'll just set this email ID, set this conference room 1, and I'll select the domain name, that is easyfirstsecurity.com. Next, then the capacity, if my room has a capacity of occupying 30 people, just for example, I'll just set the 30 people. Then the location, I'll set something like a Pune, and the phone number, what if there is any mobile belongs to that particular conference room, then I can set that. I can just set 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9, and the department, if there is any department this rooms belongs to, and the company address policy tabs, are all these options are not mandatory. So I'll just go with the capacity 30 on a location. And the next booking option, when it comes to this page, here you can set how you can what are the booking options available for that particular resource. Allow repeating meetings, means that meetings n number of times you can create a meeting for that resource. Then allow scheduling only during working hours. It means during the working hours only this meeting you can schedule. Automatically decline the meetings outside of booking limit. If you book the resource in a same window, then it will decline. That I will show you in a demo. Then a booking window is 180 days, and maximum duration like a 24 hours. Up to 24 hours you can book any resource at a time. And then there is a reply message you can set whenever that meeting is scheduled. And then booking delegation, automatically accept and decline the meeting request. So there is no one, there is no owner of that resource that will just accept your meeting or decline, right? It will automatically accept or decline based on the time window that you selected. So I'll just create the next, and this is the summary of what we have mentioned, and just I'll create. Now our resource mailbox is created, done, and you can see the conference room 1 resource mailbox, that is a room mailbox, is all created. Edit address, this additional information, allow repeated meetings, automatic processing, and these kind of things are there. Meeting and general settings, hide from global address list if you want to. Yeah, so these basic settings, basic information you can see here. Now I'll quickly show you how you can book this conference room, right? So you need to go to the Outlook. I'll open my Outlook here. So Outlook is open. Now you need to go to the calendar and set the, okay, you need to go to the calendar and now new meeting. So it's a very simple new meeting. You need to create a new meeting, and I'll I will set the name title, need a room, sorry, need conf room for sales. Okay, so this is the name, and then I need to select a conference room email ID. So I'll go to the room here, and the conference room 1 is here. So I'll just double click and it will add here, and I want to set this conference room, I want to book or reserve this conference room for 21, and I also mention the specific time from 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, so I'll set this 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. and I'll send. So I send this, and we will see the accept message that whether that our room is reserved for us or not. So we should get one accepted email ID, or sorry, the one email notification from the room mailbox. So we'll just wait and we'll see if such a thing. Okay, so you can see our room is booked, accepted meeting, and yes, so room is booked for us. You can use this room for tomorrow, right? So 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. this room is booked. Now I'll show you another case where if someone else is trying to book this room within the same window, what will happen. So I'll just go to the calendar, and I want to create a new meeting. I'll set a title, need a room, conf room, and require. I'll just set this, I'll just select from the room. Okay, and I will set the for tomorrow 21st. I need this from 9:10 to 10:30, only the half hour I need this room. So I'll just send this. Okay, so now I'll go to the my inbox, meeting inbox, and I will see if the room is also reserving for another request. So we'll see in a couple of seconds. Wait, come on please. Yeah, okay, so now we got an email saying that okay, your request was declined because of there are conflict. So because of the time conflict, this second request rejected. So this is how this whole room mailbox and resource mailbox works, how you can book and you can reserve that room or equipment for a specific period, right? The one question about always we get, how we can see if the room or equipment mailbox is available. So how you can check that if the room or any equipment mailbox is occupied or is reserved already. So in that case you need to go to the calendar again and create a new meeting. Okay, now I want to need room for interview, sorry, need room for interview, and I just set this requirement, and I need a room, conference room for the interview purpose. And yeah, so now when you on this stage, you select this schedule assistance and then select the time window where you want this room, and now you can see this meeting the room is already occupied from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. So you need to select another slot for your meeting request, like another time for room, and then your meeting will accept it, right? So this way you can see if that meeting or any room or equipment mailbox is equipment is available for your meeting, right, or any event. So this is the way you can do that. If any meeting or equipment you already reserve, then how you are going to cancel that? You need to go to the calendar and open your meeting and just cancel the meeting. right? Cancel and send the cancellation, so that it will remove your request from the. Yeah, this is from this demo, very short and simple. If you have any questions, please let me know, or and if you have any query in the comment box, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you, bye bye.